Well, here's another first. We spent the night in the Moose Club parking lot. It's pretty nice, actually. This moose is closed Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. I'm not sure why they do that, but I'm not sure about a lot of things, so no problem. It's really a pretty view from their little club here, though. You got a nice outside deck sort of thing with heaters and barbecues. And when they look out, they can see all this nice mountain view. Moose, 1449. Nobody really said anything to us. There seems to be a guy living in the back of the place in a big old RV. We didn't talk to him, so we don't know about that. Anyway, thank you, Moose. It's a pretty nice night. Well, we checked back into the Deadhorse Ranch for a couple of showers and a little battery charging. And like always, we stayed one day and it felt so good we're staying another day. Should be good. Very pretty. The weather here has just been perfect. Took the Weezer to a dog park yesterday. She didn't exactly make friends, but she did play with a couple of the dogs. That was good. Now this morning, we are considering having another laundry day. You gotta do it. You run out of clothes and you need another laundry day.